Tired of slaving over lesson videos that flop with your students? What if one AI tool could whip up engaging clips in minutes, ones so fun kids actually request encores? In this video, I'm diving into short AI to reveal if it's the time saver educators have been waiting for or just hype. Short AI was built for YouTubers and TikTokers, but I want to see if it can work in education. Inside the app, you'll find templates that feel like memes, fake text chats, Reddit-style stories, AI-generated dialogues, even superhero skits. It promises instant videos in minutes, but is it actually classroom ready? Here we are in the short AI dashboard. Now, don't be overwhelmed with all the different features and tools. We're just going to focus on 3 tools that I think you can use in your classroom today. So over on the left side panel, we have Create, AI tool, Publish, My Projects, and Pricing. Today, we're going to focus on the Create tools. So we have Reddit story, fake text, AI story video. These are the 3 tools that you're going to use to create those short video clips. Now we also have Dialogue Generator and Superhero. Dialogue Generator just creates some cool fake dialogue for you. And to be honest, I haven't used the superhero feature yet. Maybe we'll try that in another video. So for today, we're going to focus on the Reddit story. So right away, we'll start with the Reddit card. Now, if you've ever used Reddit, most Reddit users have some little card. So you have your little avatar here. I used ChatGPT to help me create my avatar. You can make it look realistic by clicking on, maybe there's more in your Reddit post. You can use 99 hearts, 999 hearts, or we'll just go with 99,000.9 upvotes. So everybody loves my post. Okay. So the first thing you need to write is your Reddit post description. This is going to stay on the screen the entire time. So for example, maybe I'm teaching a lesson about the hero's journey, a story writing lesson. I want to help my students understand the hero's journey. So I just wrote a little description here. So again, this is going to stay on the screen the entire time. The next thing to do is I need to create a video script. Now you can use the AI tool here to help you write, but what I like to do is use ChatGPT to help me write it. Once you've copied your video script inside, just click Next. Here you'll see several different backgrounds you can choose from. Now these are Minecraft backgrounds, and I don't know about you, but a lot of my students love Minecraft, so this is great. However, I did talk to the creators of the app, and they are thinking about adding more backgrounds soon, and the option to create your own background video. I'll just choose this one right here. Click Next. All right, so now we get to choose the subtitles. So when the video script is being read, the students will see the subtitles. So you can choose any subtitles here. I'm going to go with a Minecraft theme. Click Next. And the final part of this is choosing the AI voice. This is great. There are several different voices to choose from. There's also voices in different languages like Spanish, Korean, and Chinese. So I like Brittany here, social media voice. It's one of the most common voices, and it's pretty easy to understand. So lastly, all you have to do is click Generate. Once you click Generate, it probably takes about 2 to 3 minutes to generate your video. Alrighty, that took about a minute to a minute and a half to complete. Now here we have the option to recreate the video if we're not happy with it. We can see the full script right here to double check what we wrote before. Now keep in mind that this app was intended for YouTubers and TikTokers, so we can share this video to our social media accounts, but we can also download the video and then upload the video to Google Classroom or whatever LMS you're using with your students. Let's take a listen to see what it sounds like.
When I first learned about the hero's journey, I realized almost every movie and story I loved followed the same pattern. One student asked me to explain it in the simplest way possible. So here's a quick story to show how it works. One student asked, "What's the hero's journey? Why do teachers keep talking about it?" So I explained it with a simple story. A young student lived in a quiet village. One day they got a call to adventure. A dragon.
As a teacher, this takes less than 5 minutes, no heavy editing, no technical headaches. The question is, does it hold up in a real classroom? Well, here's where short AI starts to get interesting for teachers. For this one, what I would do is I would upload this video to Google Classroom, which I use with my students. I would have them watch it on their phones or their iPads. And then I would prepare some comprehension or discussion questions for them to discuss the different parts of the hero's journey. And at the end, maybe as a group project, have them rewrite the story or fully write out the story of that little boy, the young boy who lived in a quiet village. I also tested a few more ideas with Short AI. What you're seeing here are quick examples: grammar mix-up, cultural misunderstandings, even short dialogue practice. Each one only took a few minutes to generate. The point isn't that these are perfect videos. It's that the app makes it incredibly fast to create content in the same format students already watch every day on social media. That makes it much easier to take a boring topic like prepositions or polite requests and present it in a way that feels fresh and familiar. This is where I see potential turning boring drills into stories. Imagine a short skit about prepositions told as a mini adventure, or a funny mix-up between rice and lice that sticks in students' memories. These aren't polished Hollywood productions, but that's the point. They feel fast, lightweight, and, most important, relatable. Short AI wasn't designed for classrooms, but it might be one of the quickest ways to create custom lesson videos. You can use it for flipped learning, quick reviews, or even student-created projects. The next step, let students make their own clips and share them with each other. If you'd like to see me build full lesson plans around Short AI, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.